especially one being built just for you, is such an exciting experience. You may be wondering though, what does the financing process look like when building a new home? Fortunately, we have you covered. At Pulte Mortgage, our passionate and experienced loan specialists are dedicated to helping our customers achieve their dream of home ownership. As new construction lending experts, nobody knows Pulte Group's homebuilder processes and timelines better than we do. Because we want your experience to be as enjoyable and easy as possible, we've broken down the process into 4 simple steps. Once you've signed your new home's purchase agreement, it's time to begin the financing process with Pulte Mortgage. Step 1. Begin the loan financing process. With our streamlined digital experience, we make the loan process fast, simple, and secure from start to finish. Your dedicated loan expert will help you find the right loan program to fit your unique goals and circumstances. Once you've found the right financing program, you'll receive a loan estimate that breaks down what you'll pay at closing. We can review it with you and answer any questions over the phone. Step 2. Loan verification and credit decision. Early in the process, we'll request information, review it, and provide you with a conditional credit decision. With your loan underway, you'll be able to easily track your loan status 24/7. Step 3. Get ready to close. You're in the home stretch. Since Pulte Mortgage works with your home builder daily, we know exactly how to synchronize your home's financing and construction processes so you don't have to. Depending on which stage of construction your home's in, you may still be looking at a build time that spans several months. While you are having fun watching your new home come to life, we'll keep you updated and guide you through any final to-dos as we're wrapping up your home's financing process. Once your home's construction nears completion, it'll be time to prepare for your closing. Step 4. Welcome home. Congratulations, this is the moment you've been waiting for. Your closing agent will let you know what to expect for closing day and what to bring. On your home's closing day, you will meet with your closing agent to sign final documentation. After closing, you'll be handed the keys to your new home. For all of us at Pulte Mortgage, there's nothing more gratifying than congratulating each new homeowner with a warm, welcome home. For more information, visit us online at pultemortgage.com or ask your Pulte Group home builder sales consultant to speak with one of our mortgage financing advisors.